Hi, garden friends. I'm Erin Hoffer, an educator for the City of Plano Sustainability and Environmental Education Division, and I'm excited to be partnering again with Plano Libraries to bring you another spring gardening webinar. Now, if your yard is blessed with summer shade, but you're struggling with the plants that really aren't thriving in those conditions, don't miss Made in the Shade on February 23rd. We're going to talk about how light affects plant choice and which are the best plants for your shade garden, whether you have morning shade or afternoon shade. We've got lots of tips for you. And if you're one of those folks that is really disappointed that there's not a lot of color in your shady garden, we've got ideas on how to add texture and visual interest as well as color to that shady garden. It's all virtual, so make sure you sign up today at planolibrary.org. We've got it made in the shade. You can too. I hope to see you on February 23rd.